TD CNC have travelled to Yeovil today and we've arrived at Lincreal Precision. Now, how can you make this faster with tighter tolerances and machine this overnight? Well, the Managing Director, Chris Hall, found all of those answers 18 months ago when he purchased the SR32 J2 Star machine. How have you found the machine, Chris?
Yeah, the machine's fantastic, Lyndsey. Yeah, it's made a great difference to us.
You've got quite an interesting story though, because it's not like you had the work already before you invested, which is a bit of a comfort zone. So you stepped out, didn't you?
Yes, Steve Toddy from Star has been badgering me for over 10 years and got Matt to join him. Yeah, so we kind of bought the machine with no work to go on it.
And how are you now? Because there's a lot of parts I'm going to show you very shortly that have been quite successful for you.
Yeah, we've switched some parts from conventional fixed head turning onto the Star, which has made a great difference, cost savings, time savings, and you know, it's allowed us to take on work that we normally would have turned away.
Oh, okay, so let's have a look at some of these parts now. So how has the Star benefited you on each of these parts? On
all those parts you point at now, Lyndsey, that's cost savings. We don't have to send them out for subcontract grinding operations anymore. Cycle time savings on the smaller ones.
On these?
Yeah.
And then on this part here, this is a really long thread. This isn't easy, is it?
No, we would never have taken that job on prior to getting the Star, but the can cycle allows the thread to pick up and move out as it's going along, so we can turn extremely long threads now and very accurately.
I know that's quite unique to Star. Now this one looks quite technical here because you've got some contouring, you've got some angled holes, you've got grooving, you've got boring on this machine. Could you have done this, all of those processes before on this machine?
We've done them on a conventional fixed head, yeah, but we switched it to the Star and we've made considerable cost savings. And we're still looking to make further cost savings on that one. And we're in regular talks with Star on how we're reducing cycle times to try and make us more competitive again on that.
So 18 months ago, everyone got trained up, but you're telling me that still you're working alongside Star to improve your cycle times as well. Can you talk us through an example?
Yeah, they're great. You know, you'll stick a drawing through and they'll come back with the answers. It's as simple as that.
That sounds good, pretty good.
It is, yeah. Normally, you know, any problems we've got, we'll discuss it with them and they'll try and overcome it, either changing the methods we're machining with, you know, yeah.
Okay, well let's come and have a look at the machine now. So SR32 J2 Type A machine, 11 kilowatt spindle, 5 on the sub spindle. Talk us through the technology that you've got in this machine here.
Yeah, obviously we've got all the fixed head, the tools over the boring head. The difference for us is we've never used sliding head. It's all been fixed head and boring head, so we're getting much more rigidity at the tool point, and we got the advantage of all the driven tools on the back head as well.
And also you work quite heavily with tight tolerance work, quite critical parts. How, you know, the parts catcher, as much as it's a standard, you quite like this one, don't you?
Yeah, a lot of our parts have got very tight roundness tolerances, so by the way it's ejected and comes out on the conveyor belt, yeah, we don't get damage to parts.
And the HFT?
Yeah, brilliant for night running. You don't come in with loads of stringy swarf. The swarf's nicely chipped up, so yeah, you come back with a nice bin full of swarf in the morning.
Sorted, job done. And one more, it's something that kind of has been future-proofed on this machine, is this swarf conveyor. What have they done and why did you choose this?
We went for the extended swarf conveyor so we could put the extended parts extractor on the back, so now we can machine parts up to like a metre long. Yeah.
Oh my goodness, a metre from some of the parts that you did there. So Chris, overall you're a very happy man with the Star. Just tell us why, just a few points.
Yeah, very happy with the Star indeed. It's just given us opportunities to take on work that we perhaps wouldn't have taken the time to do in the past, and it's cutting cycle times down and cutting operations out, yeah.
Perfect, so 18 months ago you're impressed with your investment?
Yeah, still very happy, yeah.
Brilliant, thank you.
Thank you.